Hello guys, you are watching Guide to English. Today we are here for an exciting episode for you guys related to English grammar. We have several series of English lessons on our channel related to English grammar, speaking and reading sessions. Today we have another grammar lesson. What's the difference between for and since? We will discuss this in today's lecture. So let's just get started. We use for and since to say how long something has been happening. We use for a plus a period of time. I have been waiting for 2 hours. It's been 2 hours ago. I started waiting and up till now I'm waiting. We use since at the start of the period. We have been waiting since 8 o'clock. It's mean like since the start of the period, like 8 o'clock, I have been waiting. So for we usually use for 2 hours, 20 minutes, 5 days, and similarly we use since for 8 o'clock Monday, April 201, like lunchtime. We arrived. I got like this. Sally has been working here for 6 months, not since 6 months. Sally has been working here since April. I have seen I haven't seen Tom for 3 days. I haven't seen Tom since Monday. We often leave out for, but not usually in a negative sense, as they have been married for 10 years. They have been married 10 years. They haven't had a holiday for 10 years. You can use instead of instead of for in negative tenses sentences. I haven't had a holiday in 10 years. We don't use for plus all. I have lived here all my life. So with the all we often don't use for. Compare when past simple and how long past perfect. When did it start raining? It started raining an hour ago at 1 o'clock. How long has it been raining? It has been raining for an hour or since 1 o'clock. When did Joy and Kate first meet? They first met a long time ago when they were at school. How long have they known each other? They have known each other for a long time since they were at school. We say it's been a long time, 6 months since something happened. It's 2 years since I lost saw Joy. It's been 2 years since it's been it's ages since we met to the cinema. Since we went to the cinema, it's been ages since we haven't been to the cinema for ages. How long is it since Mr. Hill died? How long has it been since? When did she died? So we have a small exercise here. Write for or since. It's been raining since lunchtime. Paul has lived in Brazil for 10 years. I have tired of waiting. We have been sitting here for an hour. Kaman has been looking for a job since he left school. I haven't been to a party since ages. I wonder where Joy is. I haven't seen him since last week. Jane is away on holiday. He has been away since Friday. The weather is dry. It hasn't rained for a weeks. Let's just see the difference between for and since on Google. Let's just check it out. For versus since. The word for is used to show a period of time in past, present, or future. The word since is used to refer a time or action that began in past and still continue. Let's check the images. So for a plus period of time, for plus number or time word, it's like that. Let's see more. Okay, here is the difference. Since refer to a specific point in the past, always used with the perfect tenses. We always go to the beginning. For it's always about specific periods of time, days, hours, month. Can be used with the verb tenses, including the future. This is the main difference between for and since. Here you can see that we use for plus period of time for 3 months, but on the right side in since we use since the start of the period, since January, since 2010, since Friday, since I left school, since lunchtime, since I got up. Yeah, this is during and since. Yeah, let's just check this. For is used with the period of time. Since is used with the point of time for 15 minutes, for half an hour, for a month, for 2 years, since Sunday, since breakfast, since yesterday, since Friday, since February 201 21. I guess that's it for today's lecture. I hope you guys enjoy this lecture between for and since, and now you can use it in your daily conversation. Hope to see you again in the next lesson. Take care. Bye bye.